What's up, everybody? Laser Beam of Truth here, and tonight we're going to go for a little ride in the solar system. You guys all know how much I like to talk about space, and my favorite subject in space right now, and as has been for the last several months, and will probably be for the next couple years at least, is solar storms. And basically, I just saw a cool video that Patriotic Space had checked out. I think he favorited it or something, so I went and watched it. Let's see here. It's on this solar storm warning channel. Let's see if I can find it. Well, we're not going to watch the video together, but anyways, go to this solar storm warning channel and check it out. It basically talks about something I was unaware of. This was news to me, so I'm sharing it with everybody else. Basically, they're saying that there's a massive solar storm that's brewing on the backside of the sun right now. And this massive solar storm is going to be pointing at Earth in about the next 14 to 16 days or so. And I guess, honestly, I did not know this. I kind of learned this tonight, but I guess it takes the Earth about 33 days to make a revolution. I guess it spins kind of slowly. And that being said, 33 days from now, or actually half of that time, somewhere around half of 33, this massive solar storm that's on the backside of the sun is going to be pointed right at us. So we very well may be looking at some more CMEs, or coronal mass ejections, headed our way. And just depends on, whether it's early or late or timed perfectly or not. But that being said, I want to talk about something that's very unique, and I actually just fired off an email to a liberal buddy of mine. I'm going to give a shout out to him, my buddy Craig. He was actually my college roommate, and he's been laughing at me for years, saying, dude, give it up. Carbon emissions are what's causing global climate change. Come on, dude, we gotta get behind this carbon emission control thing. We're going to be killing the frickin' polar bears if we don't do it. And I just laugh at him, saying, man, are you kidding me? We are all carbon-based life forms. I cannot come to terms with this concept that carbon, i.e. the building block of everything that makes up every human and animal on Earth, is what's causing global climate change. And personally, I've always believed that it is A, the sun, and B, the space that we're traveling through as a whole solar system. And funny thing is, like I said, he's a liberal. He actually calls himself a radical, and a radical liberal. And his favorite source for news is the Huffy Post. And the Huffington Post, I mean, obviously we all know that it's a pretty liberal rag of sorts. And I just want to read this because I thought it was funny that comes from a liberal rag. And it's actually coming from Solar Storm Warning. The liberal rag here, the Huffy Post, has posted this. I guess they're mirroring this story. So astrophysicist Alexei Dmitriev says that both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 satellites reveal that our sun, as well as our entire solar system, is now moving into an interstellar energy cloud. Ofer, a NASA heliophysics guest investigator from George Mason University, says that this interstellar cloud energy is turbulent. Dmitriev explains that the cloud of energy is exciting the atmospheres of our planets, and especially our sun, and that's why all of the planets are getting warm, folks. It's not just Earth. So, there aren't Martians driving Hummers on Mars that's causing the Mars polar ice caps to melt. It's the energy cloud. And this is actually something I've known about. A lot of researchers refer to this energy cloud as the photon belt, but I'm not going to get into that. But anyways, so as this interstellar energy cloud continues to excite and charge the sun, it causes the sun to become more active, resulting in greater output from the sun, i.e. bigger. Sorry about that. I.e. bigger and more active output from the sun, and larger solar storms or coronal mass ejections, resulting in the Carrington effect. This interstellar cloud of electrical energy is also absorbed by the Earth, and scientists have found that it results in more earthquakes, which explains why we're seeing more earthquakes all around the world. And this is not a trend that I need to go into, because I know that all you have to do is look at the earthquake frequency, as well as volcanoes. Volcanoes are a seismic activity too, so this relates to that. All while dramatically affecting our weather here on Earth, which is also why, and going into the videos that I've posted before, why we're seeing more extreme weather right now. Why we're seeing Category 6 hurricanes like Yasi that just hit Australia. When asked how long will it take our sun to pass this interstellar energy cloud, and this is where it gets real good, folks, Dr. Dimitrov replied, "I don't know, but if I had to guess, I would say that somewhere between 2,000 and 3,000 years. This interstellar cloud is a wispy band of charged particles." So what I'm getting at here, folks, is we are going to be going through the photon belt for 2,000 or 3,000 years. These weather changes that we're seeing right now, they are going to be around for as long as we are all here. When Dr. Dimitrov was asked about what the implications of all this on our Earth, he replied, "Global catastrophe, not in tens of years from now, but in ones of years." That would be like 1 or 2 years, i.e. right now. And that is a global catastrophe that is basically right around the corner, setting the stage for NASA's latest solar storm warning for 2012 or 2013. But heck, that's poppycock. I'm calling it out right now. I wouldn't doubt if we see it in the next 12 to 24 months. So, all you preppers, don't stop now. Keep on buying your food supplies. Keep on buying your storage of equipment, and most of all, get onto this website, solarstormwarning.com, because from what I understand, and this is something I'm going to do, I'm going to start doing some research myself on it right now. Solarstormwarning.com is basically saying that somewhere, and I just came here myself for the first time, but they're saying that they have information on how to fix your car after a solar event takes place. You know, what to replace on it, what to have on hand, so that when a solar, event like the Carrington event happens, you'll be able to fix whatever fries on your car. Kind of like Tom Cruise in the movie when the aliens attack, the War of the Worlds, and he fixes the solenoid. Although I don't think it's the solenoid that would go. I think it's the ignition system that's going to fry. Anyways, so yeah, your electronics. How to prepare, right here, preppers. How to prepare for this. So energy, food, water, household necessities, electronics, safe room. Yeah, they talk about all kinds of things, from how to protect yourself and your family against the energy that's released in the event of one of these solar events. It's all good information, folks. I highly recommend you check it out. Highly recommend it. So anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you today. I found this new website, got a little bit of new information, and I wanted to get it right out there. And I hope you're all well. Take care. God bless. Laser Beam of Truth. Signing out.